Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can use Viper and just some of her lineups on Breeze. So if you're defending, just stand where you can see like the H over here and take out your smoke wall and point the wall at the H, so around here, and then press it. And then if you are attacking, so press E. So if the other people are attacking, they have to go through the wall of smoke 3 times, as you can see right there. And then, oops, I'm just going to end the game phase. Okay, so that's what you can do when you're defending on A. And then when people try to enter here, you can also take this out. Is this called? I don't know what it's called, like Viper Spit or whatever. Like you can then like throw it here. You can also, when you're like retaking, what I like to do is somewhat like point it so it'll clear this area, because sometimes people like to hide from there. So there are a few ways. So like just point it at the wall, and it'll bounce back to this area where people like to hide. And yeah, so when people try to enter, you're just going to throw this like out, like this toxic vomit out. You can also use this to cover mid. Press Q and it's going to cover it up. Let's just pick it up again. Alright, so that's what you can do when you are defending in A. And what you can do when you're defending in B, it's actually pretty simple. You're just going to create a straight like wall. There's not much to it, honestly. It's pretty easy to use Viper on Breeze. You can do it like this or like this even, to like sort of cover it even more. Press E. And this is what it'll look like from like their point of view. It's harder to like go in, as you can see. You have to go through the wall again like 3 times, which not a lot of people want that. Oh, okay. Now let's go to the attacking side. Don't forget to also use that, so it'll delay them to enter a little bit. Right, now time for the attacking. Oh, wait, you can also ult, so it'll again delay them from entering. But if they have an initiator, like Sofa or Sky, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. Okay, let's go to the attacking side. So this is where you want to stand. As you can see, it creates like a line here to cover the enemies that are from here. So it'll cover like duelists when they try to enter. So point it up a little bit and make sure it's like around here. Jump and click. And if you go here, as you can see, if I press E, it's going to block a lot of people from there, but not here and in some places. And if you're attacking, you can use this to, like, for instance, you're here, you can put it there, put it like in places where you think the enemies could come from. It's better if it's like more here, because sometimes people hide here too. You can also use Q to like cover when you are trying to plant. But yeah, let's just pick this up. And if you plant around here, you can use this like sort of lineup, but sometimes people will actually like go to where you are, so be careful. Oops. So there's like this yellow leaf, and you're going to aim it at that. Make sure you're standing on this rock. Hold on. And make sure you're standing here. And you're going to aim it at that yellow leaf, and then aim it a little bit higher than the leaf. And hopefully it's going to be there, but sometimes I'm not accurate at it. Oh, well. Oh, actually went there. It needs to be a little bit more here. And then, oh, I need to buy a shorty for this. So let's end the game phase now. And this is what you can do when you have an alt and you go to A. It's taking a while. Okay, there you go. Buy a shorty. If you don't want to, that's fine. But you can buy a shorty and a game phase again. And for instance, you're attacking, right? So press X, stand over here, and put the like circle thingy on the flowers, and press the mouse button to enable the ult. Now you can then plant around here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to jump on the box and stand here. Not a lot of people will like expect you for being up here, and then after that you're going to jump either to like either side of the box. You can also like crouch and then bounce your like toxic vomit off of this black line, and hopefully it's going to go on the spike, so it'll again delay like people from diffusing the spike. And that's how you can ult on A. On B, I'm not quite that sure. It's better if you do it on A. But if you're attacking on B, let's just end this game phase right now. If you're attacking on B, I just randomly ult wherever, and I basically just plant to the left if you want the lineup. So let's just end the game phase. And if I'm walling on B, I go here and I just wall this part off. So just do that. And then after that, the lineup, so like if you plant right here, around there, you can go back to this like black box, and if you go up, you can just throw it here. As you can see, there's like an end to this leaf, so get it and point it up and shoot it up, and hopefully it's going to end up where I want it to be. Like there, over there, perfect. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!